Hello everyone. Today we'll be reviewing limited liability companies, commonly known as LLCs. An LLC is a hybrid business organization that combines the limited liability protection of a corporation with the tax advantages and flexibility of a partnership. Because of these benefits, LLCs have become one of the most popular forms of business organization. The owners of an LLC are called members. One of the most important features of an LLC is that members are generally not personally liable for the debts and obligations of the business. The LLC itself is considered a separate legal entity, meaning it can own property, enter into contracts, and sue or be sued in its own name. Although members usually enjoy limited liability, there are situations where personal liability may still be imposed. For example, a member can be personally liable if they personally guarantee a business loan. Liability may also arise if a member mixes personal and business funds or fails to follow proper LLC procedures. In rare cases, a court may pierce the corporate veil to prevent fraud or injustice and hold members personally responsible. During the process of creating an LLC, individuals may enter into agreements before the company officially exists. These are known as pre-formation contracts. Because the LLC has not yet been legally formed, the promoters who sign these contracts are personally liable for them. Once the LLC is created and adopts the contract through innovation, the LLC becomes responsible for the agreement. LLCs offer several advantages. Members receive limited liability protection, taxation is flexible, and management structures can be tailored to meet the needs of the business. LLCs can also attract foreign investors. One disadvantage, however, is that the LLC laws vary from state to state, which can create complications for businesses operating in multiple states. When it comes to management of LLCs, generally they use one of two structures. In a member managed LLC, all members participate in running the business. In a manager managed LLC, the members appoint one or more managers to oversee daily operations and make business decisions. To govern how the business operates, members often create an operating agreement. This document outlines important details such as management responsibilities, voting rights, profit and loss distribution, procedures for adding or removing members, and rules for dissolving the company. The operating agreement differs from the Articles of Organization. The Articles of Organization are filed with the state to legally create the LLC and contain basic information about the business. The operating agreement, on the other hand, focuses on the internal management and operation of the company. Finally, it is important to understand what happens when a member leaves the LLC. This process is known as dissociation. When a member dissociates, they lose their right to participate in management and can no longer act as an agent of the LLC. Their duty of loyalty ends, although certain obligations related to prior actions may remain. The departing member is generally entitled to receive payment for their ownership interest in the company. If the departure violates the operating agreement, the member may also be responsible for damages. Understanding these concepts helps explain why LLCs are such a popular business structure. They provide liability protection, flexibility, and management options while allowing businesses to operate efficiently and adapt their members' needs. Thanks for watching and good luck with your business law studies. Bye.